Good evening, students. Today we will cover our chapter from grammar book. The topic is nouns. Okay. So first of all, we will look what is the definition of the noun. Nouns are words which are used as names of places, persons, objects, materials, and feelings, etc. are known as nouns. So nouns are names of places, persons, objects, materials, etc. Okay, so there are kinds of noun. Noun is of four types. So first is proper noun. So what is a proper noun? Name used for particular people, animal, place. The name which is used for a particular person, particular place, that is known as a proper noun. So what is the proper noun? For example, Ram, that is a proper noun. For example, Delhi, Delhi is the name of a proper city. That is also a proper noun. Okay, so name which is used only for one person or one place, that is a proper noun. We can say name of a person or a place, that is known as a proper noun. Second type is common nouns. So what are common nouns? Names used for all members of a group or class or category. The names which can be used for whole group of members, that is known as a common noun. For example, woman is used for all the women. And second is city could be used for any city. Okay, so country could be used for any country. So noun that could be used for all the members of a group, that is known as a common noun. We will also write the examples. Women, city, these are common nouns. Third is collective noun. So what is a collective noun? Names used to denote a group as a unit. When we want to denote one whole group as a unit, that is known as a collective noun. For example, army. Army is a group of soldiers which is denoted as a one unit. That is a collective noun. Next is a team. Team is a group of players. That is also a collective noun. So we have two examples. One is army and the next is a team. Okay. These are the two examples. Next is material noun. Third is material noun. The name of any substance. No, sorry, it is fourth. Fourth is a material noun. Name of any substance, that is known as a material noun. Name of substance is known as a material noun. For example, iron, wood, water, milk, these all are substances or materials. So these are material nouns. We can take the example iron, water, milk, these are material nouns. Fifth type is abstract noun. What are abstract noun? Names used to denote quality or feeling. Name of any quality or feeling, that is known as abstract noun. Basically, we cannot touch these things like laughter, hate. These are abstract nouns. Name of a quality or a feeling. Okay. Now next topic is noun number. Noun number, or we can say number of nouns. Number of nouns. This is of two types. One is singular, second is plural. So in singular we can take example like pencil, box. Basically, a noun which represent only one thing, that is known as a singular noun. For example, pencil, box. Pencil represent only one pencil, so it is a singular noun. Box, box represent only one box, so it is also a singular noun. Next is plural. Plural, we can say pencils. Second is boxes. Okay, so pencils what is the meaning of pencils? Pencils meaning more than one pencil, two pencils, three pencils, or more than that. So it is a plural noun. Next is boxes. So boxes is, it means more than one box, two box, three boxes, or more than that. So it is a plural noun. Okay. So basically noun are of two types: singular, plural. Next is gender of nouns. Gender of nouns. There are basically four types of gender: masculine, feminine, common, and neutral. So what is masculine? Noun that denote male. The nouns which are used for males are known as masculine nouns, like man, boy. Okay, so these are masculine nouns. Next is feminine. The nouns which represent females are known as feminine nouns. For example, girl, mother. These are feminine nouns. Next is a common noun. What is common noun? Noun that denote either male or female. Noun which could be used for both male and female. That is a common noun. For example, child. Child could be used for both boy and girl. So it is a common noun. Next is student. Student could also be a girl or a boy, so that is a common gender. Next is neuter. Neuter is a name of that thing which is not male, not female. It is basically, we can say, neutral. Those are known as neuter nouns or neuter gender. Okay. So example is brush, mango. Brush is not a male, not a female, so it is a neutral. Mango is not a male, not a female, so it is a neutral. So basically, students, this was your whole topic. I will send you the pics of written work. I hope all understood well. So I am ending this lecture. Okay, thank you.